Yeah, we just pulled over car. I see smoke coming out of the window and stuff. Possible he's armed, so you know, make sure I'm ready. So we gotta go see what he's doing. How you doing, sir?
Yeah.
License registration?
No, I don't have that on.
Yeah. Are you from around here? I see your license plate says Georgia.
No, I'm not.
Now, do you know speed limit around here?
No, what is it?
25.
Oh, stop. That's where I was going.
You're going 35.
35?
Notice you weren't wearing your seatbelt?
Oh, I just took it off.
You're going 35 miles per hour. No, you didn't. No, sir, don't lie. 35 miles per hour with no seatbelt on, that's very dangerous in a 25 mile per hour zone.
Sorry.
There's kids out here.
Sorry about that, sir.
How old are you?
16.
16?
Yes.
Sir, are you smoking?
No, I am not, sir.
Sir, I saw smoke coming out of the window.
Oh, that was not from the window.
So you lying? Why are you moving? Why are you moving?
Good, sir.
Sir, step out of the car. Sir, step out of the car.
Sorry, yeah.
You're doing a little too much moving. Too much moving. Hands on the window. Hands on the top of the car. Matter of fact, go to the back. Go to the back. Put your hands on the trunk. Hands on the trunk. Alright. Back in the car. Whatever. Don't get smart with me. You got anything on you?
No, I do not.
No concealed weapons. No nothing. Wallet. What is this? Wallet.
Oh shit. What the hell is he doing? What the hell is he? Oh shit. You're going the wrong way. He running. Hold on.
I'm gonna need Becca. Yeah. Hot pursuit.
Go get him.
I think this is the same guy we got last time.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh my god. Where is he? Where did he go? Come on. Wait, come on, go. Oh my god, go. Go. Oh my god. Come on. I think he's gonna hop back in his car. Come on. Go, he's trying to hop back in his car. No, he isn't. Go, chase him. Go. Oh my god. Get him! Alright, now I'm good. Where do you think you were going, sir? Where are you going?
You're making me run.
Put him on the ground. Put your hands
on the
up.
ground. Put it down.
Get your ass in there.
Got 3 seconds to drop. Yeah. Guess what? You resisting?
No, sir.
Hands up on the Come over the wall.
Yeah, my hands gonna fall.
Are you in a gang?
No, sir.
Legs up?
No, sir.
Any itches? No.
Put his ass on the fucking ground.
No, that's got
No.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
You trying to resist?
Get on the ground.
Put his hand in his ass. What are you doing?
Oh my god.
You know what?
No. Camera guy, leave it. Leave it alone.
You know what?
He's contaminating evidence.
Did I tell you put your head up?
No, sir.
Tell you put your head up.
Fuck this shit.
Push it.
I'm gonna kill this nigga.
No, get out of here.
I shouldn't kill him?
Drop the weapon.
Whoa.
Is this your gun?
No, sir.
Is that your gun?
No, sir.
So if I run fingerprints, this thing will be yours?
No, sir.
Here's a,
Oh my god, sir.
Why you moving your hand? Did I
Sir,
tell you
my
to
arm
move?
itches. His grass is very itchy, sir.
I'm gonna get that back to you. Get that. Whoa. Reach one more time. Blow your head out. Reach one more time. I'm thinking.
Sir.
Don't. Put your head down. Put your head down. Do not look. Do not look.